Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. What on? Bless up yourself first and foremost. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix down. So subscribe if for your first time. Over your so Spice driver, which are road manager also. Run left eye after she stop at one gas station. The car nearly boom up. See what I go.
I say, I have to tell the people them this. I have to tell the people them this. Adrian just drive off at the pump. As I go at the gas station a while ago,
Alright.
remember something what Adrian did to me last year. I have to talk about this. This have to talk about. This is Adrian Brown.
Reach where you want to reach, do you run out. You run to the food like, you never remember. So you never left the food. And you are dead.
That is Adrian Brown, my road manager, right? Me just got one gas station a while ago. When I got the gas station, I remember what Adrian do me last year. I have to tell you what Adrian do me because I saw me head them full of water. I cry water. We go up on the gas station pump a while ago, right? Alright, let me set the phone so you can see him. I have to set the phone. Don't hide Adrian. Don't hide Adrian. Adrian, this something make your eye game get prettier. You know see? Him have pussy eye.
Yeah, pretty eye.
Yeah, boy, him have pretty eye.
Yeah.
I say I want to run out of my eye a while ago. I have to tell you this.
Me feel that way, yeah. I plastic.
Last year, Adrian carry me. Not carry me, him a drive. It's a theme car. So we go up on the gas station pump to go buy gas. We don't know the strips go. Him a drive. So you know me now make him drive out him gas for the whole day, right?
You choose, you know?
Me I talk truth, you know. You should have a Bible, but me put my hand on the Bible, you know. Police this come for me. Listen, me wanna listen to the story, but make sure I talk slow. Make sure it's in the ear. So, Adrian, I drive me around. So I'm stop at the gas station, say I go buy gas. So true, me drive around now. Me take out my purse. Me will pay for the gas. You don't have to pay for the gas because me I carry go somewhere. No! Lie, Adrian. Lie. True, Adrian say me take out my purse. Adrian don't normally full him gas tank. Adrian will put in like 2,000 gas in them car and go on and have a merry day. Adrian will put in like 3,000 in them car and have a merry day. True, Adrian said me take out my purse to pay for the gas. Hear him to the pump attendant. Full it up. See me I look on him. Them say we turn off the AC spice. That's what the AC load.
This, we turn it off.
Oh, this is this, so the people have sense. Hear him to the pump attendant. Full it up.
Full the tank, yes.
Full the tank. So me I look on him now like, him on glass if he full the tank try me take out my purse, you know. When him a pay for the gas, him nah full it up in there. I put him put 5,000. No.
Yeah.
So him tell the pump for full, but here what go on now. When him tell the pump attendant if he full up the car tank now. The poor car. No you. The poor car not used to forget full up. So when the pump attendants are full up, I full the gas tank now. The woman see me at the pump and left the pump in the sitting there full and come and look for me and I tell her friend, no spice that. And then through the car not used to be full.
You ever full?
The car start pick up me and yes already. The car no used to be full up, so the gas start run out of the car and leak out. Hey, let me explain to you, come on to understand what you know. Me slung in the car front, and be a gas and run out in the gas station. I flood out. So wait now. Me in the car, me no know say the place a flood out, you know.
Seat.
Adrian pull the car door and see the place a flood out. Cause remember say the gas station they boom up down a country. You know how you know say the gas are full up and I run out.
One man
say, oh, me not hearing a meter on my phone.
Man say, you see the car.
See the
He can't
car
run
on
off
my floor.
I mean, guess I run for the ground. So be no.
Hold on. I just pull film side of the car door.
Yo, but never said me run out to come take you out of the car. You cry, you know. I get that fucking job.
I just run out, pull film side of the car door. I run out of the car, let me.
You know, hard. Hey, man, come back hard. You know, come into panic. Get out of the car.
You know what all me do is say something wrong? When we say Adrian pan him back and slide and go away, slide.
The gas drop me, you know.
Hey, I want to cry again. Mr. Adrian slide pan him back out and do a run and slide and go to the gas station and run. I run and go and say, yes, I want the blood.
Me dead to us, me dead, me not lie, me think me dead.
When the woman say,
When
the woman come and say, Mama, come out of the car, come out of the car, the whole of the gas a leak out. Me look and say, Adrian, dog, there's a slider go away, the gas cause he pulled the car door.
You
run out of the car, left me in the car for boom up, you know.
No, me not left you in the car. Me come to get you out.
You're not come to take me out.
You will be reaching on your side, you're gone. You're gone. We across the road over fields all the way you're reaching over the food in the yard, you know. Me I say, oh, Spice, come out to the food now, and I say, it's an emergency.
Hold on.
Me say,
yes, when my sister, if I left me in the car for the
you know
where do it?
I tell you no.
Look here. Me say the man gets up. If it's a light of blood clot. He pull the door and the gas slide him go away. Be a gas in him close if ever light and matches.
Dead man.
He's dead.
Apart they are true. But me tell yourself you come out of the car cause me and say
Adrian, you don't tell me.
Gas. And you say,
what?
You say, where? No man, and you say, where?
Ding dong,
You say the man after the car and run out cause they pump with 7,000.
Listen, moral of the last story, the car no used to be full up. So through him go see me take out my purse, him I tell him, full up it. The car catch diarrhea and vomit up, puke out the whole of the gas can. I say, what is? We never get full tank yet. And puke up the whole place. Me say, you hear the story, you know? You see me see the boy run out of the car and left me in the car. One taxi man there in the gas station. I'm just say, hey, you work? Me say, hey, you work? You know, I want to move and I can't go anywhere. Me have a food, me eat my food. I just take up my food. I take up my handbag. I say, hey, John.
Call me if anything happen. That means they left me for dead. You see so much no, like how you fuck.
Yo, I just left me blood clot out of the gas station.
Walk again. That would never happen again.
Yo.
So me just start put me 2,000 and 3,000 like it's not my car. Cause I'm like something wrong with the car. Something wrong with the car. So I just put 2,000 against my car.
Hold on, no. Hold on.
You can never get me out.
Oh, remember the story, you know, him came to the gas station a while ago and pull off and me said, me will buy the gas. Him look for me. He came to the pump attendant. Give me 3,000. Me say, fuck. Give me 3,000 gas. If nobody say fully.
No, I'm not stop us. I never want to stop us this time. I bought me last time. I told the man the village. The man with the gas lick the last man. I link close for the 5 long. They don't say deep water.
Hey,
if I can't run out.
I want to run out of me eye. I say, no, I do. I just go in one taxi and left him at the gas station with the blood clot car. When I reach the studio, I call him. Hear me? Hey, Dry, you alright?
I'm over here already in a cabin. I'm sure this is brother. It's going to blow up with me because of gas leak. You just buy the back of our the gas bill.
This a road manager, yeah, man. Left me for boom up.
Some if you got to make some if you don't make, now if you save myself first, then if you because save you. Yeah, I have to save myself first.
This is a man that left me for boom up in the car. The man run out of the car.
The people on Instagram, oh, you have to save yourself first. Tell the truth that God never love. Oh, never save first.
You know, you promise me say me you say it first.
Yeah, but you don't say me job, me couldn't come on your side. Cause me get a blood clot up on my back of the heart, man. I'm searching for that for the back. Blood clot up over the nearly dead. Nearly dead.
Me say.
You know easy. Them not gonna understand what you're saying now.
Them understand.
That's just business.
Me stop at the gas station a while ago. And I want to hear him say fully. Nobody say fully this time.
It's Chevel, you know, but I would not Chevel. Because you hear a story already, you know, say.
Him nobody say fully this time. Because I remember how it lick him. He nearly dead. We just take a taxi, go and left him out at the gas station. Call him when we reach. Hey, Johnny, alright? Him say me wicked. Me say yeah, but when you car, you da go come out of the car, left me in there. When me boom up, you come and my funeral come back. And you make it boom up.
I mean, I see which part of the gas I come through.
Me say the boy no grab me, you know, and say come Spice.
I'm reach on your side, come and
you come near me there, you look at me hand.
Yeah, but
look at me hand right here, so I touch you.
Listen now, me gonna dry you through this side, because you drop with me. What me have to do? Me pull on and go around on your side to come get you out, you know. And slip and strip me, you know.
The boy run left me. The boy run left me in the car. The boy, what is it? The boy run left me in the car. That's what I tell you now. The boy left me in the car for boom up. My man over there said, Mama, come out of the car. Come out of the car. I mean, if you jump out of the car, I look, I see the boy in the gas and roll. I should have taken a blood clot. My kids like this. I like
yo! Let go!
Let go where I am.
I kill myself.
You go?
I don't love my life. I don't know go.
Why do you say love me every day? You go so?
No, sir. No, sir.
Why? I have to save myself first.
You're rough.
Come on, when me and Justin do, Jack, man, him say, I have to save myself first.
Do you want to take it?
Oh. I'm not give them too much one time.
Yeah.
My people around me a sample.
God no.
I run eye water. The man run out of the car and left me. Yeah, Rooksy. Rooksy said, can't believe. Rooksy, hey, Rooksy, all the food go. Rooksy, me reach at Jamaica, all the food I go. You call me and tell me say you cook nothing for me. I don't understand. All the food go.
Joe, man, all the food go Rooksy.
Rooksy said, can't believe. Yes, Rooksy, that's exactly what him do.
No, him a do
the boy run out of the car and left me in the car for boom up.
Rooksy are the worst.
Remember me telling that.
We can't talk about it today.
Big up Grassy Noir. Most of the pieces are already sold out, but don't forget to check out my website www.grassynoir.com and check Faces and Laces. I got some new face products. I got a foam wash, a guitar foam wash. I got a blue box that I just dropped with all my face products in there. I created an organic foam face wash that is really good with the skin. I'm gonna do a run through and show you how well it works. I have a drum cream that's really good. So if you don't want bleach, for all you girls that's want all you melanated girls out there, something itch up in my teeth, man. Make sure you go on Faces and